we have Arnav Arora, who's presenting first. His idea is a subscription kit with eco-friendly toiletries, and the name of his product is Replace. Over to you, Arnav, and all the very best.
No, investors, this is not a filter. Horrifying, isn't it though? Seeing a human trapped in plastic makes you feel uneasy. Now imagine the same plight of helpless animals who are made to suffer every day due to irresponsible actions. If plastic can't be reduced, it should be replaced. With this mindset, we embark upon the journey of sustainable living. Good morning, investors. I'm Arnav Arora, CEO and founder of ReplaceKits.co, a company that aims at safeguarding our depleting environment by providing individuals with the key to sustainable living. So, are you ready to join us to become a part of the solution rather than the pollution?
We are living in the beginning of a mass extinction. Our climate is breaking down.
We are living in the middle of a mass extinction. Our climate is breaking down, with the words said by Greta Thunberg, a climate activist. Now, you might ask, what does plastic consumption result in? Well, the vicious cycle of plastic consumption is right before your eyes.
But we can still fix this. You can still fix this.
But wait, we can still fix this. You can still fix this. ReplaceKits.co has been devised to replace single-use plastic with alternative forms such as bamboo, neem wood, glass, and organic canvas. These materials do just the opposite of what plastic does best. Our primary objective is to provide people with sustainable products at affordable rates. A market survey which received over 110 responses indicates that nearly 77.3% of our respondents make an effort to purchase environmentally friendly alternatives, while 86.4% of our respondents carry a basic multi-purpose kit while traveling. So now let's look at the kits we deal in. First, we have a very own jumbo multi-purpose sustainable kit containing a total of 7 items: a bamboo toothbrush, a neem wood comb, a bottle of toothpaste tablets, 1 reusable cotton mask, a handmade aloe vera soap, a pack of 10 bamboo cotton swabs, and the entire kit is made available in an upcycled organic canvas pouch. The other 2 kits we deal in are our dental kit and our vanity kit. Apart from that, we also provide a pack of 3 reusable cotton masks. An additional feature to note about our cotton masks is that they're manufactured by the tribal women of Pune. In doing so, we provide them with a means of livelihood and an opportunity for you to support us to help the world. Now let's move into the economics of one kit. The jumbo kit, dental kit, and vanity kit sell for a price of rupees 499, 250, and 275 respectively. The cost of goods sold is 252 for the jumbo kit, 172 for the dental kit, and 193 for the vanity kit, giving us a gross profit per unit of rupees 246 for the jumbo kit, 77 for the dental kit, and 82 for the vanity kit. Our marketing campaign runs through 4 different channels: social media marketing, collaboration, email marketing, and lead generation. Customer acquisition is highest in social media platforms. Keeping this in mind, we have a Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp business account. We've also launched our website, through which we have received 71% of our total orders. In order to scale my business and expand on my B2B sales, our second marketing campaign revolves around collaboration. We aim at collaborating with environmentally friendly societies and organic stores. Currently, I have collaborated with 3 organic stores in my vicinity. Our kits can in one way also be viewed as travel kits. Keeping this in mind, we have sent our catalogs to various environmentally conscious resorts and hotels. Our last and final marketing campaign is word of mouth. So here are our kits on display in organic stores and our Instagram account, which recently hit 100 followers. This is the website that we launched. I'll just be taking you 1 second. This is the website that we have launched. Monthly sales projections. We commenced our business on 11 January 2022 and expected to close this month at sales of 12,000. Today, it's 29 January 2022 and we've already made 16,700 in sales, and we expect this number to increase gradually. Competitors. The largest competitor present in today's market is Biko. Apart from that, we're competing with other brands such as Bear, Clanoth, and The Brown Living. Now let's look at my USP, my unique selling proposition. What differentiates me from my competitors? Well, you can have a look at the table yourself. ReplaceKits.co ticks all boxes. Our kits are not only eco-friendly, but also pocket-friendly. Sustainability is the new trend, and this trend is here to last for long. The potential market for eco-friendly goods and services is valued at 40 billion. So, are you ready to join me on this quest to fight plastic pollution? Thank you. If I'm permitted to, could I just show you the components of our kits?
Sure.
1 second, I'll just remove my voucher. So this is the upcycled organic canvas pouch I was talking about. On the front, it reads, "Save the Earth, there is no planet B." And over here, it has a Replace Kits logo. So upcycling in simple terms refers to creative reuse. So the material of this pouch in its past life was a posh hotel's linen. Then we have a reusable cotton mask, a bamboo toothbrush, whose bristles are charcoal infused and BPA free. And the bamboo toothbrush comes in a box made of 100% recycled cardboard that has a logo over here, as well as a tagline that says "Go Green or Go Home." Then we have a pack of 10 bamboo cotton swabs that comes in a pouch made of 100% recycled paper, a neem wood comb, handmade aloe vera soap. And this is something new to the market. It is a creative and innovative alternative for toothpaste. So these are toothpaste tablets. So that's it from my side. Thank you.
Thanks, Arnav. Any question, judges?
Yeah, we can go ahead with maybe one question if that's okay.
Yeah, please, all yours.
So, Arnav, good job. Very well thought out. Just one question that I was curious is, given you already are at stores, what have been the learnings or observations from the first few thousands of sales that you have made?
So firstly, I realized that our kits were initially made for the purpose of websites. When I went to retail stores, I realized that they won't sell that much because all that we have is a plain and simple pouch. We have nothing regarding our product. So that's one place where I messed up. So one of the biggest take back that I take is that there's a difference between retail outlink and that on websites. Apart from that, the pricing strategy is also something I tried to look at affordability the most. And in that, I made a mistake. So that's another experience that I take back from my venture.
Got it. And any thoughts around to unbundle these things and sell them loose, given you are already at the stores?
Yes, sir. So this has been 20 days since we launched our product. So we are basically testing the waters and seeing what type of a response we received. We're glad to have received a positive response. So now we'll be diversifying into individual components. So now, like we've already launched a pack of 3 reusable cotton masks. So now we're going to be providing a pack of 3 bamboo toothbrushes, a pack of 2 soaps, a pack of 2 combs. So I think
I definitely feel that is what will give you a good learning, and it will also give you a good heft. That's it, from my side. All the best, Arnav.
Thank you, sir.
Arnav, great work. This is Anshuman. Where are you getting your products from? What is your sourcing strategy?
So 2 of my vendors are located in Delhi, while 1 is located in Mumbai. So I'm sourcing all my products. I'm not making anything.
And how do you ensure that they stick to what you're sourcing, what your design thinking is, and how do you ensure their quality?
So we've spoken to them on Zoom. We've had 1 to 2 hour long conversations with them, and they're very well aware of what I'm trying to achieve. So there's no plastic involved in my products at all. And even the goods that are delivered to us do not come in plastic. They come wrapped in newspaper.
Good luck.
Thank you.